How to see following list of a TikTok account if it's hidden. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now as you're logged into your TikTok account over here, make sure that you have the stable Wi-Fi connection on your device as well. Also make sure that you have the latest version of the TikTok application on your device. Now, if you want to see the following list of a TikTok account, just what you simply need to do is tap on their profile. So let's just search for a profile over here. So I'm going to select on one of this profile. I'm going to tap on it. I'm going to follow this person and then tap on the followers list. And as I tap on followers, you'll be able to see different following people or following list below their name if they have over there, if you have any common friend over there. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.